Drop a fucking beat, let them hit the top. Little motherfuckers couldn't walk the line I walk. I ain't fucking tryna say like the shit they talking about. Motherfucking fake talking, niggas gonna block 'em out. I be coming spitting from the brain, kill 'em all, drive 'em down the party, homie, this is my hall. You a bitch, you's a hot dog down the fucking hallway. I don't give a fuck, man, I'm hitting shit the raw way. Raw dogging from behind the bitch, and while I'm still bust a rhyme and snap a neck. Give a bitch no check, give a check, check the box, check the cereal bowl. Bitches eat my fucking shit, cause a nigga ice cold. What? Get the fuck up out my way. I be getting all the shit that them other rappers afraid to say. I ain't afraid to talk about how everybody fucking speaks. Everybody's not from the fucking Portland gritty streets, homie. Been down from day one, rapping since a fucking no table. Unsigned rapper, homie, don't got a fucking label. I ain't got a name yet, cause I ain't doing it to get famous. I don't give a fuck, homie. Shove that 9 to 5 up Uranus like Tech 9 said. I'm just gonna rhyme set. Motherfuckers trying to get on my game, but they couldn't even rhyme set. Motherfuckers set they claim. 503 the set that I bang. Fuckers couldn't do it the same, so I'm coming off the brain. Shit, I ain't saving the bitches that's already been slain.